The SV650 is absolutely, without a doubt, the worst motorcycle ever created. Here's why. And the first thing I hate so much about this bike is the one thing you look at the most. The dashboard. Because the dashboard is very lackluster on this bike. It is a very basic LCD display which just feels outdated by today's standards, especially for a brand new bike that is still being sold today. Not only is it a very basic looking dashboard, it also has very basic functionality. And I get it, it's a budget oriented beginner / intermediate bike, so they have to cut costs somewhere. I'm hosting a giveaway of these Revit motorcycle gloves, courtesy of Eco Motorwear. Eco Motorwear was nice enough to give me a pair of these gloves to give away to one of you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow the link in the description. When riding, my clutch just slowly goes out of adjustment, which is normal, that's what the adjustment is for. But it's to the point that every 1000 kilometers, my clutch is so out of whack that when I pull in my clutch lever, the bike doesn't fully disengage the clutch anymore. A little bit of slack over time is normal, but every 1000 kilometers this happens, and at first I thought it was me not fully tightening it, but even after a service in the shop this happens. The next point is wheeling this bike. The early Gen 1s suffered from oil starvation in the front cylinder. It's a V, so when you wheelie, your front cylinder angles up and all the oil flows towards the back cylinder. Now some people say this has been fixed, other people say that it's not fixed. I don't want to find out. I'd rather play it safe and not do any wheelies. A tiny one is fine, but I wouldn't hold it. Not that I am able to hold it for that long. Again, people say it's been fixed. Some people say it's not been fixed. I'm not gonna be the one to find out. Never have I ever seen a motorcycle with a kickstand that leaves so many scratches. And I've owned quite a few bikes at this point. Every time you put your bike down, you can be assured there will be a new scratch on your floor. All these scuff marks are from my kickstand. The other thing is the front brake, or just the brakes in general. They're great. They stop the bike, they do what they have to. It's more about the feeling, the feedback. It's pretty stiff and pretty woody. I don't know if that makes sense, but the best way to describe it is woody. It's like a woody feeling. There's no real feedback. It's not very confidence inspiring, but they work fine. They stop the bike in a timely manner, but the feedback is lackluster. These were the 5 reasons why the SV650 sucks. Do you want to know 5 reasons why it's awesome? Click the link to my video in the pinned comment. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.